So in this quick video I will show you how to find the default gateway's IP address in the Linux terminal. Usually when we want to see the IP configuration, the command is ip-add, and this will show the IP configuration for our network interfaces, and this system has one interface ENS33, and this is the IP address of the interface. And one thing that it doesn't show is the default gateway, and so this ip-add command does not show the default gateway. And if we want to see the default gateway, we have to look at the routing table, and for command for that is ip-route show, and you can also just type ip-route or even shorter ip-r, and this will, any of these command will show the routing table. And this routing table default route is the IP address of your default gateway, and here default via 192.168.1.1, and this is the IP address of the default gateway, and it is connected via this interface ENS33. Also, and one more thing here, that it is static here means that this default gateway is configured through the static IP addresses, and if it was configured by your DHCP server, you will see DHCP here instead of static.